Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to reset Netflix on a smart TV. All right, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, just go and find the help or get help icon and just select it. If you're under the home screen of Netflix, just go ahead over to the top left and you'll find get help. So select it, and now go ahead and scroll down all the way down and click on reload Netflix. Okay, wait for it to load, and once it loads, go ahead and test it out. If that still won't work, go ahead and go back to your home screen and then just find the settings section right here. Tap on it. Now scroll down and find applications. Select it. Wait for it to load. And then once it loads, tap on manage installed apps. Okay. Once done, go ahead and find your Netflix app. You can just tap on it. And then in here, go ahead and tap on force stop. Once done, scroll down a bit, find clear cache, tap on it. Now, finally, tap on clear data. All right, click on OK. And then after that, just go ahead and open up Netflix again and check if it helps. If that still won't work, go ahead and go back to your app section once more, select Netflix, and then you can find the settings section right here or more section. Okay, so just basically tap on offload and then offload. All right, once that's done, go ahead and tap on Netflix again. It will then go ahead and update the app and fixes the broken update. So just wait for it. And then once that's done installing, it will just automatically open up Netflix. Okay, if not, open it up manually. And after that, just log in. Everything should work perfectly fine now. That is it. That's how simple it is to reset Netflix on a smart TV and potentially fix any Netflix errors. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.